Hi everyone, welcome to BISP trainings. My name is Faiza Alam. In today's session, we will learn about the inventory assessment and adjustments that are part of the inventory management module. So let's start now. So in the NetSuite application, the stock level gets assessed. There are various processes in which the assessment of stock level is done, and we can access the inventory data to see the real-time information of it. It also includes various questions like how much we have and how much we need, and also the value of our stock on hand. And while working on the inventory management module, there are certain jargons or certain keywords that we should be familiar of. Like there are various quantity levels that are taken up. First, we have is the quantity on hand. So it is the quantity on hand is the number of items that are physically available in the warehouse. The next quantity level that we have is the quantity available. So it is concerned with the quantity in the warehouse which is there, but it is not scheduled or it is not committed on any of the sales order. Next we have is the quantity committed. So it is a quantity that is promised to customer that are not yet fulfilled. Means it is yet to be fulfilled. It is promised to the customer, but it is not fulfilled. The next level is quantity on order. So this is a quantity on approved purchase order that has that is due for receipt. Means that it has a pending receipt from the vendor. So this is about the quantity on order. The next level that we have is the quantity to order. So it is it is the preferred stock level minus the quantity that is available in the warehouse. The next level we have is the quantity back ordered. So it is the quantity that is committed to sales for which there is no stock to fulfill the order. It means that it comes under the back ordered quantity for which there is no stock to fulfill the customer's order. Next we have is the last level is reorder point. So this is the level at which we need to place an order to replenish the stock, or I will say that when we want to build some more items into our inventory. So for that the reorder point is required. So these are the quantity levels on which our stock level can be assessed. Our next concern is inventory adjustment. So inventory adjustments are the manual adjustments of an item's inventory by a store user. And this is, these adjustments are done to mark the items either as available or unavailable. If we talk about the NetSuite inventory adjustment, under the NetSuite, we have two options in which we can adjust our inventory. First is we can simply adjust the inventory via inventory form, or we can take the help of inventory worksheets. So NetSuite adjust inventory form enables us to change the quantity and value of an inventory item without entering a purchase order. It can also be entered for items that are accounted for any clerical errors or changes in cost or thefts, or many other reasons can be there for adjusting inventory. If we talk about the inventory worksheet, so it enables us to enter changes to the quantity or value of inventory items that are, apart from if we talk about the lot numbered and serial numbered items or any inactive items. So if we remove these items, so inventory worksheets can be used for the other items other than the lot numbered, serial numbered or inactive items. So yes, so in order to see where where can we go and how can we adjust the inventory with both the methods. So first we will take the inventory adjustment form. So for that we will go into transaction, inventory. Here we have the adjust inventory option. So this is the inventory adjustment form. You can see it has already been taken up as a standard inventory adjustment. We have to select the subsidiary first. Like here I am taking Canada. And in order to adjust inventory, a separate inventory adjustment account is to be prepared. So this is the account that I have created for adjusting inventory. Date is already been taken up. It can be a back date or it can be today's date also. adjusted location, we can select over here, like if I want to select US location. Now if we go down here, the under the adjustments, so here we have to select the item for which we want to make adjustments. So I will take here this Rio cables. I have to mention the location for it. So here I am taking this US location that I have mentioned under the adjustment location. So you can see that as we have discussed just now, that quantity on hand for this item, that is geo cables, the quantity on hand, that is 105. And if we want to adjust, we have discussed it just now, that inventory can be adjusted for increasing or decreasing the quantity due to many reasons that are there. So already there is 105 items available, and I want to adjust the inventory by 50 units. Now the new quantity that has arrived is 155. So if we want to mention the cost, so we can mention it. If we move ahead towards the inventory detail, so here we have to configure the inventory detail. This is the bin number that is associated with this geo cables. We have to mention the quantity that we want to adjust. Now click on add. We have configured it. You can see now the checkbox is shown under the inventory detail. I will click on add. And similarly, if we want to add some more items to adjust their quantity, so we can do that. For now, I am taking only this one item, and I will click on save. So we got the confirmation that our inventory adjustment form has been successfully saved. We have adjusted the quantity of geo cables by 50. Now the new quantity that is available to us is 155. So this is the first way in which we can adjust our inventory. If we take the other way, that is with the help of a worksheet, so for that we'll go into transactions, inventory, and here we have the adjust inventory worksheet. So this is also an inventory worksheet form. You can see that it is quite similar with that of the previous one. Here we have the form now where we have to select the subsidiary. Like here I am taking Mexico. The adjustment account is also being taken. I will be taking that same account. This is concerned with the a transaction order that we have in the inventory worksheet, because here we have to mention like if we want to post this worksheet for the first transaction day or for the last day. So here we have these two options, of which I will take the first transaction in day. Date is already here. Location, I will mention this Mexican office. And the good part of this inventory worksheet is you can adjust the inventory for hundred or thousands of items. You can see that this and you can make the adjustment in one go only. You can see that these are the various items. I do not have to select the items here. The list is already given. I just have to mention the quantity. So like for 1124 laptops that are available under the subsidiary Mexico, if I want to adjust the quantity by 100, so the new value that comes with it is 3 lakh. So, and this value has come by following the, if average costing method. If the business is not using any LIFO or FIFO costing method, if the average weighted method is used. So as I mentioned the quantity over here, the value, the cost is already been calculated, and the inventory detail also gets configured, you can see. So if I go into the 20-week cordless drill and I adjust the quantity by 50, so you can see that the amount, the cost that has populated is 25,000, and it has also been configured. So in this manner, we can adjust the inventory in one go for many records at a time. It is like a mass kind of adjustment. So right now I have adjusted only these two items, that is laptop T49 and cordless drill. Now I will click on save. Yes, so now our inventory has been adjusted with the help of worksheet. If I go into the list to see where is it appearing. So this is the transaction that we have done. This is from subsidiary Mexico, and the amount is already been populated. Like if I go into this worksheet, so this amount has appeared by by the system. It has been calculated automatically by the system by multiplying the purchase price and quantity of the available goods. So in this manner we can adjust the inventory. We have taken both the scenarios, like with the help of single inventory adjustment form or with the help of inventory worksheet, in which we can make the adjustment for many records in one go. So that's all about the topic. In case of any questions and consultations, you can write to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.